welcome to Naturally.co. Today, we're gonna make a fresh ingredient margarita. I love margaritas and I love putting some fruit in it, but first thing we wanna do is we want to squeeze some fresh orange juice. I have this great press here, so all you do is cut it in half, put it up underneath, and just simply hold this and squeeze. Fairly easy. And take it off and do the next one and make as much as you need for your margaritas, or just use this for a nice fresh squeezed orange juice. So typically, if I'm lazy, I'll just use store-bought orange juice, but I'll take my lime and I'll do it in this one so I have some fresh lime. So that's what I'll do today. I'll do orange juice in here, then I'll squeeze my lime in. So let's move on to the next step. All right, so now that I've got my OJ squeeze, all fresh OJ, I'm going to use some dark cherries, sweet cherries today. And what I like to do is, the way I measure, these are gonna be the glasses I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna put in enough there. I'm going to then take another glass and I'm going to start pouring my ingredients in there and then mix it all together. So about 2 ounces. So I'm making 2 drinks, so I'm going to put 4 ounces, 2 per drink. I need a tablespoon of agave. So I'm using some raw agave. You can use less or more depending on your taste for sweetness. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a lime and I'm gonna squeeze it right into here and just put it in there and squeeze it down. You can see, getting quite a bit out of this. Gives a little bit of tartness, so it complements all that sweetness. Diet down just a little bit. And I'm using the Margarita tequila. It's a smooth tequila. Tastes really great in my margaritas. All right, so now I'm going to just fill the rest of it up with OJ. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend these two together in the blender. I could also just blend this, the cherries, put it on the bottom as a puree, and then put my mix, shake this in a shaker, and then put it in. But I'm gonna just blend it all together, and it'll come out delicious. Okay, so I have everything blended together. I've got 2 glasses, and on the rocks, if I wanted them to be frozen, then I just would add the ice directly into the blender. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of room, and we're gonna put some Grand Marnier on top as a floater. Gives it a nice little orange flavor. So we're just gonna put 1 ounce or 3/4 right on top. So that is your nice, freshly made with fresh ingredients margarita, little fruit. You can put whatever fruit you like in it. Today I'm using sweet cherries. I hope you enjoy this recipe.